Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another powerful weight loss video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the pineapple to create another form of a weight loss drink. And in this drink, you can lose 15 pounds in 15 days. This is going to help to shrink that belly fat, that body fat, and detox your body. So let me show you some of the wonderful ingredients you're going to need. Okay, we're going to be working with our pineapple. Now what I did was I already scrubbed and washed this pineapple, all right? We're also going to be working with some mint leaves. So just a few sprigs of mint leaves. And a nice hefty size of ginger root. I like it strong. Now to start off, I'm going to be using 4 cups of water. And we're going to also be putting that into our pot to start the boiling. Okay. Now to start it off, I'm going to either grate or chop. You can either grate or chop your ginger root into your water. I like to grate it because you get more juice extracted from the ginger root. Next, I'm just going to cut my pineapples, and I'm going to cut my skin off. Never throw away your pineapple skin because there's wonderful weight loss benefits in the skin. Now we're going to take the skin of the pineapples and add it to the water that's on the stove. Allow your water to come to a boil and leave it for at least 10 minutes on simmer. While the pineapple skins is boiling, now we're going to just take the pineapple and chop them into big chunks. Next, you're going to get a pitcher, and we're going to add our pineapple chunks to the pitcher. Now you're going to take your mint leaves and you're going to separate the sprigs from the leaves. And then when you finish, you're going to pop the leaves also in your pitcher. Now that the skins are finished boiling, just put it on the side and allow it to cool. Okay, so I am back, and now that my water has cooled down, it's time to pour it inside of my pitcher. Now I get quite a few of you asking me where did I get this pitcher from. So what I'm going to do is list down below in the description bar, somewhere in the Amazon affiliate links. Matter of fact, it's probably already there, but I will have this one or a similar one down below. Now it also comes with an infused insert, but being that I have so much, it will not fit in the insert, so I just leave it in the pitcher. So what I'm going to do now is fill the rest up with my filtered water, and I'll be right back. And it's done. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to allow this to steep in your refrigerator for at least 8 to 12 hours, and in the morning you're going to drink 1 cup before breakfast, and then you're going to finish the rest of this pitcher throughout the day. What you can do after that is you can boil some ginger on the side and also pour some water. You can use the pineapples again for the next day, but you can pour some boil some ginger on the side, let it cool, and then add that in the pitcher along with some more fresh mint leaves, and you have another wonderful drink. So you do this for 15 days, and I tell you, you will see some shrinkage. You're going to be energized. This is going to give you lots of energy. It's going to improve your mood during the day, and in 15 days you will see some weight loss. Okay, so listen, you're going to eat healthy meals, healthy clean meals along with drinking this. Stay on that path and you will see weight loss. Okay, so you guys, I want to thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Share these videos with your friends and family who are also on a weight loss journey. Check in the Amazon affiliated links for the personal and full-size blender, metal straws, and I'll also have a link to this pitcher down below as well. Okay, also check out my eBay store where you will get wonderful herbs, spices, the popular by demand flat and firm belly detox, along with the popular by demand moringa bitters detox and Jamaican soursop. You'll see it all down there. Okay, don't forget to check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will see hair care videos, skincare, fashion hauls, and more. All right, so until the next time, you guys, I will see you then. Welcome, family. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you again with a powerful announcement. Now, if some of you haven't visited my eBay store, you are definitely living under a rock because you are missing out on this organic fit and flat belly detox and energizer tonic. This tonic has been flying off the shelves. I've had to restock my inventory several times. This is powerful. I've used it myself. I'm still currently using it, and like I said, it works. Okay, this tonic is going to help you to lose those inches. It's going to make you feel better. It's going to clean your blood, burn that body fat. It's going to flatten your tummy and remove that waste out of your body. This is also going to boost your metabolism. For those of you who are suffering from slow metabolism and cannot get that weight off, try this tonic. It's going to boost you up. This is going to detox and energize you, and it's also going to strengthen your colon because it's going to be squeaky clean. All right? Check down below in this video description for the links to my personal eBay store where you will get the 16-ounce bottle of this powerful detox that specializes in removing waste out of your body and slimming you down. So if those of you who are really serious about your weight loss journey and need that extra boost, this is going to help you, along with all the other wonderful teas and detoxes and smoothies I've been showing you throughout the year. All right, so go ahead, shop, check your girl out. I'm telling you, it's been flying off the shelves. This is my 4th time restocking this item, and I got plenty for everybody. So like I said again, y'all, check down below in this video for my eBay link for my personal store where you will get the 16-ounce bottle of this firm and flat belly, and it's all organic, natural, 100%. All right, so I will see you down below.